Hello everyone, my name is Susan Marlianti. I'm from Sumbawa. I'm a student at SMKN Negeri 3 Sumbawa. Today, I would like to deliver a short speech about how pandemic changed our lives. Ladies and gentlemen, for more than a year and a half, we have been hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic, and governments are taking precautionary measures to control the spread of this virus infection. These days, we can no longer go out to work or just simply meet our family and friends without having our mask on. This pandemic has changed our lives in so many aspects. I could have talked about that aspect in length. However, in this occasion, I would only talk about how this pandemic has changed our lives as a student. It was not until the last week of August 2021 that we started to study at school. Then, colleges, universities, and schools were closed with no certainty when it would be open. We were forced to study from home, doing online learning. Technology has become the lifesaver for the students in this time. With the proper utilization of technology, students can learn and grow during this pandemic situation. They can explore their potentials and do some experiments to hone their skills. It is agreed that this online mode of education is a great solution to fill the void space between teachers and students due to this virus spread. Some of the benefits of online learning are: first, teachers can offer students a learning experience that is more efficient by using various tools that are available online such as PDFs, videos, and SlideShare. Second, students can attend classes remotely regardless where they are during the online learning. Third, learning can be set to synchronous and asynchronous learning approach so that students can learn at the time of their comfort. Consequently, students' attendance is increased as well because they don't have to travel to school every day. However, despite all these benefits, there are also challenges experienced by students, especially those who live in small towns or villages and come from lower social and economic background. Some of the challenges are as follows. First, there are many students who do not have the resource for online classes and learning. They are struggling to obtain the gadget required for online learnings. Second, lack of stable internet connection has caused some trouble such as frequently disconnected from the lecture video conference and blurred videos during learning activities that result in some information being missed. Third, many misconceptions and ambiguity arise while understanding tips and tricks about different topics, which confuses the students in understanding a particular concept. And last, please, students are working more on their laptops and mobile phones. This leads to weakened eyesight and other problems related to sighting. In conclusion, this pandemic has changed the way we students live our lives. We could not go to school without having our body temp checked and our mask on. We can no longer sit with our seatmate because we have to keep our distance from each other. While online learning is beneficial for our learning during this pandemic, it also comes with some challenges that are mostly experienced by students from lower social and economic background. For quality and just education can be accessed by all students during this hard time, there are still many things that the government needs to do. For example, the government must ensure that all students have free access to internet. Thank you.